How to fix Bluetooth on Windows. What is up guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you if you are having any trouble with Bluetooth, how you can fix it. So the first thing you want to do is find the Bluetooth tab over here, tap on it, and then you can just go ahead and go to Bluetooth settings. Here you can easily find the devices that you have previously connected over Bluetooth. So what you can do is go to more Bluetooth settings. It's going to open up the settings menu here, and then find your device here. Make sure this is turned on. And then if you want to connect to a new device, click on Add Device over here, select Bluetooth, and then it's going to scan for a new device over here. And once the scan is complete, you can just tap on the device to pair it with your laptop or PC. Now, if that is not working with you guys, then you're going to have to check for updates on its driver. Go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Hit Enter. And once your device manager is open, you basically have to go ahead and find Bluetooth over here. If you don't see Bluetooth, then go to View, and then make sure to show hidden devices, like so, and then you should see Bluetooth over here. Now right-click on your main driver, click on Update Driver. You can browse through your computer and then reinstall the driver. So pick the driver from here, click on Next, and then as you can see here, the driver has successfully been updated. Now, after doing so, you should be able to use Bluetooth normally without any problem. But if you're still facing issues, then in that case, you might want to disable the device once and then re-enable it. Click on Yes. After disabling the device, it's going to reset the device. Right-click on it, and then you can enable the device again. That should fix the problem. Then you can go to Action, and then go to Scan for any hardware changes. It's going to scan for changes, and you should be able to use Bluetooth without any problem. Now, the final thing you can do is try to troubleshoot the issue. Go to the search bar and then search for Troubleshoot. Open up your troubleshoot settings. Go to Other Troubleshooters, and then find Bluetooth over here. Run the troubleshooter from here, and it's going to automatically scan for any problem. And if there is any problem with your device, and if Windows is able to find any problem, then it's going to ask you to fix itself. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.